Choosing the wrong tool for your project can slow you down, damage materials, and cost more than you expect. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best oscillating tools you can buy right now so you can save money and pick the one that actually fits your needs. From affordable starter kits to high-performance cordless options, each tool was selected based on real-world usability, power, and overall value. You'll find all the links in the description below to check current pricing, and stick around until the end, because the number 1 pick offers the best balance most people are looking for. Number 5 is the Workpro 3.0 amp oscillating multi-tool kit. This is the best budget option for beginners and casual DIY projects. What makes this tool stand out is how much you get for the price. It comes with a 17-piece accessory kit, allowing you to handle cutting, sanding, and scraping right away without needing additional purchases. With its 3.0 amp motor, 7 variable speed settings, and a 3-degree oscillation angle, it delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks. The quick lock system also makes blade changes simple and fast. It doesn't aim to compete with higher-end models, but that's the point. It keeps things straightforward and accessible. And here's what one real buyer had to say: excellent tool to have, it's well worth the money, and worked great on my project. It comes with excellent blades. But I bought the extra blades just in case. Enjoy. This makes it a great fit for homeowners, beginners, or anyone looking for a versatile tool at a low cost. But if you want something more capable without spending too much more, this next option is a clear step up. Number 4 is the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts cordless oscillating multi-tool. This is the best value option for DIY users. This tool offers a strong balance between performance and affordability, making it a popular choice for everyday projects. It's part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, so if you already own compatible batteries, it becomes even more cost-effective. Its cordless design gives you flexibility to work anywhere, without dealing with cables. It may not feel as refined as premium tools, but it provides dependable results for most home improvement tasks. And here's what one real buyer had to say: a must-have for all DIY projects. It works well for installing trim and making cuts in areas other tools cannot. It can also be used as a sander for small, hard-to-reach areas. It is multiple tools in one. The 6-level speed control is nice for controlling cuts and has tons of power when dialed up. If you want something reliable that doesn't push your budget too far, this is a smart upgrade. Now, if you're looking for something with more consistent power, especially for tougher materials, this next tool takes things further. Number 3 is the Dremel MM35 3.5 amp oscillating multi-tool. This is the best corded option for strong, consistent performance. This tool is built for users who prioritize steady power over portability. With its 3.5 amp motor, it delivers strong cutting performance without the limitations of battery life. It's especially useful when working with tougher materials where consistent output matters more than convenience. The corded design ensures stable operation, so you don't have to worry about power drops during use. By the way, which one would you actually go for so far? A budget-friendly option, the best value, or something more powerful? Let me know in the comments below. If this video's been helpful, consider subscribing for more, and you'll find links to all these tools in the description. Now, if you want something more advanced with smoother performance and better control, this next one is built for that. Number 2 is the Makita DTM 5-Z18 volts LXT brushless multi-tool. This is the best premium option for professional level performance. This tool is designed for users who want a more refined and powerful experience. The brushless motor improves efficiency while delivering smoother operation and better control during precise cuts. It feels more balanced in hand, reduces vibration, and handles a wide range of tasks with ease. It does require a separate battery and charger, which adds to the cost, but it's aimed at users who already use Makita's ecosystem. If you want a higher-end tool that performs consistently across different tasks, this is a strong choice. And finally, if you want the best combination of power, control, and overall usability, this last option stands above the rest. Number 1 is the DEWALT 20 volts Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This is the best overall oscillating tool for most users. This tool stands out because it delivers a well-rounded experience across all key areas. It offers strong performance, excellent control, and a complete kit that includes battery, charger, and accessories. The 3-speed selector combined with the variable trigger allows for precise adjustments depending on the task. It's reliable, versatile, and built for long-term use, making it suitable for both DIY users and professionals. Hopefully, this breakdown of the 5 best oscillating tools helped you narrow down your options and feel more confident in your choice. To learn more or check current pricing, the links are in the description below so you can find the right fit for your projects. For more honest reviews and buying guides, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.